Hello everyone. Ayan, ano tayo ng ating lavender pibo. Magre-repat tayo, guys. Ng ating lavender pibo. Ayan. As you can see, i-repat ko itong mga babies ko. Mga ano na, mga gurang na sila. Akin sila ilalagay sa isang pot. Sa isang pot dito. Nakita niyo to? Dito ko ilalagay. So, ayan guys. Ngayon, ating lalagyan nito kasi malaki ang butas ng kanyang puwitan. So, maglagay tayo ng gloves. Ayan. Maglalagay na tayo ng lupa. Itong aking lupa, this soil is I put perlite. I put perlite on top and what do you call it? Tuscan. So, now we need to take off all this one from the pot because they are old already, and I need to be careful. Ayan, tatanggalin natin isa-isa. Yeah. So, as you can see, they are healthy. I just wanted to transfer in the bigger pot. Ayan. Transfer na natin. Iisahin na natin sila. Okay, we do repat now. Our repat is done. This is how look like now. Ayan. This is how look like our lavender pibo. We have pants here. There, Mr. Kundis. How are you, baby? What Nainis say to you? Ayan. This is the finished product of our lavender pibo. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.